Hi everyone, my name is Pallavi and you are in my channel Motivation by Pallavi. If you want to know the kadi bhaji recipe, so you are in a perfect channel. Let's get started to make kadi bhaji. I have taken ginger, garlic, cumin seed and coriander and chili. Let's grind it first. After grinding the batter, already my subscriber, thank you very much. But if you are new in this channel, subscribe it. Add gram flour we call besan. Add 3 tablespoon curd and mix it. Grind it with add little bit water in that. You will get to know this kind of textures. I have added a 1 tablespoon oil in a pot, then turmeric and add the whole batter and add some salt in there and mix it. Side by side I have to make plain bhaji as well as mirchi bhaji that we call chili bhaji, that we are putting a kadi bhaji na. So that's this the bhaji also I am making. Let's cut the chilies and remove all beans from all. अगर रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो तो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. You can see I have cut every chili and we removed here. I have removed all beans from the all chilies. In chilies, let me add some salt inside the chili. You will never get spicy when you eat. That's why I'm putting the salt and you will get tasty. I have done mostly. Your curry is ready. Let's make for the curry bhaji. I have put oil in a kadai. Then that hot oil you put in that in a batter and mix whole flour besan. This kind of texture you have to take and add in oil. Put in oil. Let's see, it colors brown. You can just take outside that bhaji and put that chili in a batter and make it. Thank you. Hey, wow, it looks so nice. And really, when you see the chili bhaji na, it's so. It seems like water comes from your mouth. अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल और याद से नोटिफिकेशन बटन को क्लिक कर दीजिएगा. Right, I have put it all bhaji in the curry and side by side I have given to my kid Ahan. He loves very nicely and he is really happy enjoying this dish. You're welcome, bachcha.